Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the Bitrefill feature on the Binance app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPad Pro. So let's jump into it. First open the Binance app, then you should switch to Binance Pro if you didn't already. To switch to Binance Pro, you just have to tap on your profile image, and then the first menu is the Binance Pro or Binance Lite, depending on which you are using right now. If you use Binance Lite, just tap on this switch and it's going to switch to Binance Pro very easily. I will show you right now. Here, as you can see right now, I'm switched to Lite and I will switch again and I can use the Binance Pro. So when you have the Binance Pro homepage on your screen, you have to swipe slowly down to open up this secret marketplace feature. And here, if you scroll a little bit down, you will see the Bitrefill gift cards feature. You have to tap on it, and here there is a short introduction. Buy gift cards for anything, browse 4,000 plus gift cards and phone refills. Yes, pay with Binance, pay with any of your Binance coins. Yes. And receive your gift code instantly, ready to be redeemed online or in store. So yeah, just tap on get started, and here you can choose your country. You can filter the products or just go and search their offerings. They have a lot of specific offerings based on the country that you are opening the app from. As you can see here, some of these companies are available in Romania, but there are a lot of international companies, and yeah, it's going to be the offerings of your region. And yeah, by tapping on these cards, you can purchase gift cards using your cryptos. As you can see, I can buy Reddit awards, estimated price, no fee. Just add it to your card and check out. It's very easy and cool to use. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.